Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Benin James. We are live at Sawmill Road, Sawmill, Edo State, Nigeria. And then we are here for the subframe. We are here for subframe. This is our wood. This is our wood. This is our wood. So frame wood has to be straight. You can see we select the straight one. About them, carry no carry me. I would go other carry and go where I go. So I'm no. I beg go. I take go beg you. Sorry for the interruption. Like I said, when you want to do subframe wood, you have to select wood, the straight one for your subframe, for your door subframe. The dorsal frame, and then the wood here in the Sawmill, it is 18 feet. It is 18 feet. It's 18 feet. You can contact us if you have such work done. So we are backing into where we are going to saw it to the size. So, and then the size will be 1 by 3. 1 by 2, 1 by 3. That's how we saw it. We split it to the size. You can contact us on the 080-6309-8718. 6309-8718. 6309-8718. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe. So, madam, you want me to video you? Make a video you. See, this is the madam will give me wahala. The madam will give me wahala for Sawmill Road with this, so in the sell wood. The Sawmill Road with this now. The Sawmill Road with this now. Now the madam will give me wahala for here with that. So this is where I'm going to saw it. If the pack and finish now, we'll tell you how we taste one for us. Thanks for watching.